Hi everyone. So today I am here and today I have brought the concept of was and were in English grammar. So chapter number 12, was and were. In my previous class we had learned about is, are, am. So is, are, was, were. These all are being verbs. But there is a little difference. We use is, are, am for the present tense and we use was and were are used for the past tense. Okay. So first of all we will learn about was and were. Was is used with was is used with singular subject or noun. And were is used with plural noun or subject. Like he is a singular subject. He was. She was. It was. This car and were is used with they were. We were. You were. Okay. So now read the following sentences carefully. Was. I was sad when I lost my pencil. I was sad. So these he was absent on Monday. Monday में वो absent था. So we are talking about past. It was windy yesterday. She was an honest lady. That was my car. Singular subject. She was. It was. He was. The chair was very small. Chair is a singular subject. Sumit was ill. Sumit was a singular subject. Sumit is a. The fan was very slow. Fan is a singular subject. Fan was very slow. Now we were very tired after the match. We, it means more than one. Were. Your books, it means plural subject. Your books were in your bag. They were in trouble. There were no children. Children plural subject. There were no children to watch the show. Priya and Tia, they are two. Priya and Tia were always together. You were not helpful. Vicky and Maya, now they are again two. Vicky and Maya were in the park. These girls were not in uniform. So these girls, more than one. These girls were not in uniform. Now I am going to start bookwork, filling the blanks with was or were. Pihu. So Pihu is a singular subject. Pihu was in the kitchen. Pihu was in the kitchen. So this is past tense. His chair is a singular subject, was near the window. His chair was near the window. His chair was near the window. Now next, book work, page number 43. Rita and Rashmi were in the kitchen. More than 2. The shoes, more than 1. These are more than 1. These shoes were under the bed. That child it means one child. That child was naughty. You were late for the class. There was no noise in the class. It was a sunny day. Those children, plural, were naughty. Those children were naughty. There was only one star in the sky. One star, singular subject. It was a pleasant trip. There were no clouds. Clouds, it means plural subject. They were happy with their result because they, more than 1. What was the price of that cap? Singular subject. Who is the leader of the party? Who were the leaders of the party? Now who the leaders? Now here, who was the leader of the party? This is past tense, na? Now next is, for example, who dash the leaders of the party? So who were the leaders of the party? Okay. Now next is, put in am, is, are, was or were. Now first is, where are you? Gopi, it is very dark. बहुत अंधेरा है. And I am unable to see you. Sanjay was in my class last year. तो हम past के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Sanjay was in my class last year. Now he is in my brother's class. Next is, was the weather good when you were in Darjeeling? जब आप दार्जिलिंग में थे तो क्या वेदर अच्छा था? Why was he so angry yesterday? So we are talking about the past, yesterday. Why was he so angry yesterday? Where are the puppies? Puppies कहाँ हैं? Puppies plural subject. I don't know. They were at the gate 10 minutes ago. वो 10 मिनट पहले तो गेट पर थे. You were late for the class. Why? You were late for class yesterday. Why? So yesterday it means past. This letter is for you. Here it is. Where are the tickets? Tickets, it means plural subject. Where are the tickets? I can't find them. The weather is cold today. आज मौसम बहुत ठंडा है. Last Monday, it means past. Last Monday, it was very hot. बहुत गर्मी थी. These photos are nice. Photos, more than one. Would you like to look at them? Today is Thursday. आज Thursday है. So yesterday it means past. Yesterday was Wednesday. My sister is ill, so she can't go to school today. Now that's all for today. So what you have to do now? You have to complete that work in the book. अगर आपने बुक में complete नहीं किया है तो आप इसको आज ही complete करना. Now I will be sending the assignment of these fill-ups. So you have to complete it in your fair notebook. And make sure you liked and enjoyed today. So take care and goodbye. And see you later in my next class.